You got a present from Grammy and Poppy. Let's open it. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, that's a fancy present. Okay. Here's your card. Let's see, can you open the card? Can you pick it out? Oh, a kitty. Hope Valentine's is filled with fun and love. Love, Grammy and Poppy and Jake. And you know what else they said? They said, whoa, whoa. They said hugs and kisses. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Go off first. Can you open it? Take off the wrapping paper. Oh! What did you get? Yeah? Say bowling. You got bowling. That'll be fun. Yeah. Can you say thank you? Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss? Can you do that? Can you blow a kiss? Okay, I think, there you go, blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Go like this. Can you do that? There you go. Okay, say bye-bye, Grammy. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.